Hey everybody, thanks for popping by. Today what we're going to do is we're going to look at operator precedence, which is super important for our expressions within our conditional statements. So what the heck is operator precedence? Well, they're a collection of rules, and they control the order of execution of procedures within a mathematical expression. Operators with the highest precedence are evaluated first. So let's take a look at an example. In this example, we have 3 plus 4 times 5. Well, you might get a couple answers depending on how you evaluate it. You could go 3 plus 4 is 7, and then times 5, which would give you 35. Or you might do the 4 times 5 first to give you 20, plus 3, which would be 23. Well, which is correct? Well, in Python anyways, the correct answer is the one on the left. 4 times 5 plus 3 is 23. So we perform the 4 times 5 first, and then we add 3 to it, and that gives us our answer. Now, why the heck does it do that? Well, it does that because it has rules. In other words, multiplication will happen first before addition. So let's take a look at these rules. So in this slide, you can see here the operator precedence. The highest order precedence is parentheses, and then going down to exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. In our example we just looked at, the multiplication took a higher precedence than the addition, and that's why the multiplication happened first. So in Python we call it PEMDAS for the operator precedence order. So just to demonstrate the answer, I did a little print statement here, and I also have another print statement. This time I have used parentheses, and let's see what happens when we use parentheses around the 3 and 4. Well, the first answer is 23, which is what we talked about earlier, but the next one, 3 plus 4 times 5. So what I did was I changed the order of precedence by using the parentheses, which of course have a higher order of execution, and that's why it happened first. So in your programs, you're probably going to be doing some calculations of some sort. So make sure that you keep these rules of operator precedence and you remember them. Remember, PEMDAS. Okay, so everybody say it, PEMDAS. Say it again, PEMDAS. Say it again, PEMDAS. And I hope you don't forget this and you don't make a mistake and end up with erroneous calculations. Okay? So thanks for popping by the channel. I hope you learned a little bit about operator precedence, and I hope that helps you in avoiding errors in your applications. We'll see you soon.